whimper. Whimper is a sort of mild cry. Something which started with a bang ended in a whimper. This is what we call. Whimper means not a very pompous affair, something which is insignificant, and it is often connected to a cry. Whimper, the synonym is cry. The next word is cryptic. The message was cryptic. There was a message given. People who read the message could not make out anything. They could not decipher the message. The message was not clear. Therefore, the option which means this is puzzling. That is cryptic. The correct option for the synonym of cryptic is puzzling. Now comes the 16th question, which is benign. Whenever there is something detected in the body, the doctor tries to see whether the growth is benign or malignant. Malignant normally means cancerous, whether it is dangerous if it grows in the body. Benign, which is not very serious, something which is gentle. The correct option for benign is gentle. He is a very benign gentleman. He is very pleasing, the very gentlemanly qualities. So 16th, the answer is gentle. 17th, the word is arcane. The word arcane. Here, something which is done not in the knowledge of others, something which is done furtively, something which is hidden from the knowledge of others. That is what called arcane. Arcane activities of people around us. We should be very cautious about that. Now, arcane therefore means something which is the opposite of open. So, out of the synonyms provided, secret. The synonym of arcane is secret. Now, lurid. The next 18th word is lurid. Something, the news was lurid. Something which makes you upset, makes you feel upset. Something which is shocking. He was shell-shocked with the lurid message. So, the meaning or the synonym of the word lurid is shocking. Fiasco. The project ended in a fiasco. The project did not succeed. It ended in a fiasco. Fiasco, therefore, is something which is the opposite of success. So, it should be a failure. Fiasco, the synonym is a failure. The next word is emanate. From where do such meaningless rumors emanate? People ask. From where do such meaningless rumors emanate? From where do they start? So emanate has something to do with start. Out of the options, the option C here, emerge, means start, from. Therefore, the correct option for emanate is emerge. From where do they emerge? Now the next one is vendetta. Vendetta. Usually politicians try to settle their vendetta against their political opponent. Vendetta is a sort of misunderstanding, a feud, a quarrel. Now here, out of the options provided, the correct option is D, feud, which is the correct synonym of the word vendetta. The next word is vocation. We should not confuse ourselves with vacation. Now, the word vacation, V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N, refers to holidays. But here vocation refers to employment. He was looking for a suitable vocation. Means he was looking for a suitable employment which should satisfy his hunger and also should satisfy his wish based on his qualifications and skills. Now, the next one is turbid. The matter has become more turbid. Something which is not transparent, which is not clear, unclear. So turbid means, out of the options, it is murky. Murky, which is full of suspended particles. A murky solution is something through which you can't see. It is the opposite of a clear solution. Turbid means murky. Sinister. The boy had sinister designs. Sinister is something which is opposite of good. He did not have good design, good plans, good objectives, good aims, but sinister. Opposite of good is bad. But here, which of them is closer to the meaning of the word bad? And that option is wicked. Sinister, the synonym is wicked. And the last of this is amity. He is an amiable person. You should have amity. There is an organization called Amity International. People should become cordial. People should become friendly. There should not be any enmity. So the opposite of enmity is what amity means. Now, opposite of enmity here, out of the options, is friendship. Therefore, the synonym, correct synonym of amity is friendship, which is the correct option for the synonym of amity. We have now looked into some 25 words and found out the correct synonym of these words out of those options. I would advise you to learn more such questions, learn to answer more such questions, so that you will become more and more confident in answering questions on synonyms. Now you are going to do the test based on this. After you complete it, we'll have the next session where we will review the test answered by you.